Okay viewers, welcome back. I have another fun little redstone bit to show you. And this uses the server mod plugin for Bukkit Redstone Plugin, currently using version 1.2. So to show this off, let me get started. I'm going to make it daytime. And this right here is a part of the Redstone plugin, which is really neat, I think. Basically, it's sign code commands, and when they receive power, it does the allotted effect. And one of those effects is the ability to spawn monsters. You can also use it for making sluice skates and something else I can't think of at the moment. Anyways, basically, what I have set up right here is in preparation for a little gauntlet that I'll be making on my server. And the way I have it set up and designed is, for starters, I have a normal 5 clock here, and you'll notice it's not blinking, and that's because it's receiving a constant supply of power from down here, and this, as you might recognize, is just a simple RS NOR latch. And the way it works is, once you hit this button, it'll provide power, cut the power to this, and get the 5 clock working. It'll then run down here, and this is just to extend the length of the redstone, and this will receive power, which will then in turn spawn a pig. And the reason I use the 5 clock is because every tick it'll send that power down and keep spawning a pig. The problem with this is you get way too many pigs or mobs way too fast. And so what I designed over here basically is, once it goes in a complete loop around the 5 clock, it comes over here, and I have these delays set up, and I'll explain that in a moment. Comes down here and automatically flips the RS NOR latch again back to its default state. Now the reason I have the delays set up is so that as it travels down, it takes time before it shuts the clock back off again. That way you get the maximum number of ticks based on how many delays you want. So the way I have set up right here, the clock will actually finish 3 cycles before turning off. And for an example, this is the button that turns the whole thing on. Let me see here. I'm going to cut that for a moment. And what you can see here is when I push it, starts the clock, and there we have 3 ticks, and it turns the clock back off. Now when I provide power to this block, turn it on, and there we go, pig, pig, and pig. And this is effective, except if you want to spawn more mobs, you don't want to make a long string of delays and take up valuable space. So what I found out is that by providing 2 separate inputs to the spawner, it essentially doubles your spawn rate. See, we're getting 2 spawns for each tick. And there we go, 6 pigs. And boy. Okay, let me clear this up a little bit. Now, alternatively, one other thing you can do, oh, I missed one, is add a line straight down the center, and effectively what I've done is just tripled the spawn rate. So if we're getting 3 ticks from the clock before it shuts off, times 3 separate lines, we're getting 9 spawns, basically. Now let me pick this sign back up, get rid of some of my clutter here. And like I said, it doesn't have to be pigs. You could type whatever mob you want in. I'm not sure if slimes work or not. I couldn't get it to work earlier. But let's try zombies. Now, because it's no fun fighting zombies in the day, let's make it nighttime. Oh. There we go. And let's give it a whirl. And run like hell. And there we go. 9 zombies coming after me. Oh jeez. Let's make it daytime. Come on. There we go. Oh my gosh. No. Okay. Well, that about covers up everything that I wanted to show you guys. So, really neat little plugin for your Bukkit servers, and you can do a lot of fun with it using Redstone. So, that's all for today. Signing out.